I will show you guys how to share Pocket FM stories on Telegram app. So let's get start the video. So first of all, open up your Pocket FM app, and once your Pocket FM app is open, you have to open up the series or any song. I tap on this series, and now here you can see the play button. Just simply tap on it, and now here you can see the three little dots in the top right corner of the screen. Just simply tap on it, and here you can see the share option. Just simply tap on it, and it will start redirecting. And now here you can see the Telegram app. Just simply tap on it, and it will direct you to the chat and select the person which you want to send. Just simply tap on this, and here you can see the send option. Just simply tap on it, and now here you can see the chat has been sent to the person. So that's it. See you in the next video very soon. Peace.